You read the title, I'm Umbagul. This is Camera Basics ISO. So let's get started. So what is ISO? So ISO is one of the three backbones of photography and videography. We will be talking about the rest in the upcoming part of the series, so stay tuned. Coming back to ISO, it is just a camera setting that brightens or darkens your photograph. Though there is a misconception that ISO is the sensor sensitivity of light, which is not true, as ISO is kind of like mapping to tell your camera how bright your final photograph should be given a particular input exposure. Also, unlike shutter speed and aperture, ISO does not brighten a scene by physically capturing more light. Hence, ISO should not be considered as a prime unit of exposure. In the film days, ISO number used to define the sensitivity of a roll to the light. Therefore, it might be a bit confusing for the people coming from the film era. So, let me explain. A digital camera typically has a ISO setting ranging from 100 to 3800 or sometimes even higher. So you should always keep in mind that apart from changing the brightness, ISO also affects the image quality. A higher ISO generally translates to more noisy or grainy image, much like how higher ISO film has more grain than the one with a lower ISO. A lower ISO won't just make less noise, rather it will produce even better color and a higher dynamic range, which is the ability of your camera to capture the details between highlights as well as shadows. Thus, it is recommended to keep your ISO to the lowest possible level. But then photography is an art form and you shouldn't limit your creativity just so that you can follow some random guidelines on the internet. So just do what you feel like is right for your circumstances, as these are just some guidelines that aren't mandatory to follow. So guys, that was it. Hope you liked the episode 1 of this series. This is where you can find the next episode and this is where you can subscribe to my channel. With that being said guys, you guys are awesome. Yes, you're awesome. So just stay awesome, keep smiling, learn new things, brush your teeth twice a day, and I will see you next time. Peace.